Hello and welcome to Alaska Frontier Gunsmith and Taxidermy. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a Glock sight and install a Glock adjustable sight on a Model 20 Generation 4 10mm auto pistol. So stay tuned and follow the steps and we'll get to it. First, remove the magazine and set it aside. Second, pull the slide to the rear and make sure the chamber is empty. Release the slide. Pull the trigger while the gun is in a safe direction. Taking your right hand, grasp the slide, pull it to the rear. Taking your left hand and pushing the slide release button downward. Bring the slide forward. You may have to pull the trigger to release it. Set the slide in the frame aside. Bring the slide over, take the recoil, spring, and guide rod, push down and remove. Next, push down on the barrel and pull it up and out and remove it. Next, find either a pistol block, a hockey puck, or even a piece of 2x4. Set your slide on top of it with the right side of the sight facing upward. You will need either a brass punch, a nylon punch, or you could even use the nylon side of your gunsmith hammer. Firmly striking the punch downward, or firmly striking the nylon hammer side downward on the sight until the sight comes out. Takes a little bit, but just keep at it nice and firm, and there it goes. Okay, so we have the sight. Here it is. Put it aside. We'll grab the new Glock stock adjustable sight, pull it out of the package here. It comes with a sight adjustment tool also, which is right here, and that's the sight. So to install this sight, make sure that the sight is facing the correct direction, white line to the rear obviously, and set it in to the dovetail. Firmly press it in to start it. Take your gunsmith hammer on the nylon side and tap it down to get it started, and keep tapping firmly on your block. This will seat the sight. Adjust your sight to where it is in the center of the frame. So it looks good. Up, just a little tap, there we go. That's it. Centered just like we want it. So that's done. Take the old sight, the sight adjustment tool, we put it back in the little baggie, we keep it for safekeeping for later on. You never know, you may bust another sight off a Glock and want to replace it. Now you have one. No use buying another one. From there, we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Take the barrel, insert it in till it drops into place. Take your recoil guide rod and spring, push down and push it up underneath the barrel until it locks into place. Line your slide up with your frame along the grooves. Slide it all the way to the rear till it locks into place. Point the gun in a safe direction, pull the trigger. Now hold the trigger, rack the slide to the rear, and release the trigger and pull it again. This is a function check that tells you it works. Go ahead and reinsert the magazine, and you're done. Congratulations, you changed a sight on a Glock. So how about hitting that subscribe button and leave us a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you like or don't like. If you have a gun that you'd like to see or talk about, or you want to know something about, ask those questions and I'll get a video out for you. Thanks again and subscribe.